We're playing Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yeah, with Rick, I forgot.
Hurt Master Gamer.
And Board Gamer. This is good.
What about you?
Um,
Because
You game?
I'm
Okay.
starting to play.
Just skip. Oh. You guys checked. No one. Okay. Oh my! Oh, I thought. Okay, that's scary. Cause like, you know what I'm doing?
What?
That is the cheating one. Okay, you got the right one. Oh God.
We're in the foot at the same time.
Yeah. Someone got let me call. Good call.
Yeah, we don't have to hear it.
Yeah. It's horrible. Hey, wait. No. Yeah. Forgot to put the lights off.
Oh my God! Look to your right. There's pictures like of a dead child or something.
That's the characters.
No,
Stage. The
those are kids. They're crying. You go.
I'm not gonna do nothing because they're gonna move at 2 a.m. That's what I was before. Just gonna do nothing. Just gonna check and then please don't. There you go. This is my favorite character, Freddy. Wait, Daniel. I mean, why am I saying that? Yeah, that's a real name. Your favorite character is Chica.
My favorite character is nothing. Hooray!
Oh, mine is 2 a.m.
Nice to you too. I'm not gonna die tonight.
Nami. Wait, yours has 65.
Yes,
He
it
has
is.
74. Oh, I got 69.
I'm dead.
Oh, you're
I'm
gonna
dead.
die.
I'm dead. I don't care. Game.
Because I know why. Using the camera a lot. Oh, mine's done. Oh, he's right there.
No one's off for me.
Wait, Foxy. Mine is slow. Mine is good. I just got Bonnie after me. What about you?
Oh,
you got 2 gone.
They're both here.
Oh, you have 2 gone.
I'm dead.
Oh, he's right in my face. Get on my face. Oh, no, don't do that.
Oh,
You're gonna die. Not him. The Fido, not him. He has nothing to do.
oh hell no.
What happened?
Okay. Chica's almost next to my door. Oh gosh. Gosh. I'm dead. Am I dead? I'm okay.
Oh, you're on my face. Oh, he's gone.
What's wrong?
Oh, I got chicken. Oh, I'm scared. Are you in here? Are you right here?
Your ass is grass. I
Where's the
always
other one?
say that.
Where's the other one? No, I'm scared. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Uh-oh. How cute.
Come both door. I don't care.
Oh. Oh, chicken. Uh-oh. Oh. Chicken, where are you? No, where? Oh yes!
I'm dead.
Uh-oh.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Yes, I won.
Yes!
Me and him, we won.
Yeah, we all won.
Yeah. We won this game. We just need a night 2, and that's all. And then part 1. No, this is part 1. We just gotta need past this night. Oh, we died. Don't tell me my forever. No way. Yes! Oh, we have to call guys. Just mute it. I just mute mine. Oh, chicken! Chicken! There's chicken. They're moving here already. Anyways. Uh-oh. Oh, god damn it. Don't scare me.
Oh my gosh.
No one's scared. Uh-oh. No. Come on. Let me see it. No. Let me see. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. They're still moving? That's gotta stop moving. Take a break. Oh. Oh god, where is he? Scared. Wait, is he there? Yeah. Where's the other one?
I'm not. I'm okay.
Bonnie the bunny. Where is he? He's not here there. Oh. Oh, now he is. Who's chicken? Oh. Oh, he's gone. Oh my god, don't. No! No, I don't want you. Oh my god, that chicken gotta stop. I'm really in 2 a.m. I'm gonna die. No! Oh, yes. Oh, no! You guys are moving.
Horror gamers are we? Oh, we're all in 3 a.m. anyways. Never mind.
Oh my god. I'm gonna die. They're both on my, like right there. Like, you guys can see it. Right here. See, right there. Oh. Right here. No. I hear him. I hear someone walking. Oh, hell no. Oh, my door. Oh, my door, man.
Oh, him too. Oh, we're all at the same time.
Be gone. Okay, you're there. Yeah, stop. I'm in for you, yes. Come on, be gone. Oh! He's like right there. No. So that means I gotta close that too? Oh, she's gone. He's gone. You gotta be gone. So you're there. God, you gotta be gone. Be gone. I got a 21. Stop it. Oh my god. I'm gonna die.
Well, sorry to die you. Oh, me too!
I got 15. Oh yeah, I'm begging him. Fighting him.
I'm not.
I gotta win.
Oh, hell no. Really?
Oh,
I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill out.
I'm just gonna close this chicken because I don't want him to kill me. But be like right next to my door. Oh no, don't let it be you, not you. No, let me win. Ah, let me win. 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 Oh, you won? Oh, hell no. Let me win. Yeah!
Yes!
Stop that piece of shit. Yeah. That was intense. Okay. Part 2. Tomorrow, maybe. Okay, never mind. Bye.